We do the GH5 DLC chart, the chart that nobody knows.
Bruh.
So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do this one first. Oh, violation 175. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it. I graciously accept. Just let me take a break. Randy, have you played this nasty ass chart? Yeah, for guy, this was only DLC on Guitar Hero 5 Wii. It never saw the light of day on Xbox for some reason. I think it's because Wii couldn't really get the Smash Hits exports, so they opted for Wii getting a whole new original chart. Yeah, this chart is something else. Honestly, GH5 is one of the better Wii ports, honestly. Gonna go get a beer for the song. It'll be 1/3 time to done. Alright. This chart is something like I would ship with the Black Man Waterfall. Yeah, you're right. This is up there with Super Slumber Party. Yeah, single whole chart just for the Wii. No idea why. Yeah, Randy, that's exactly right. Like that's what I keep thinking of when I think of Guitar Hero 5. But as a whole for guitar, it's not a very good game.
Cheeseburger.
Oh, we all know how big a Wii was for like a lot of childhoods. Pizza. But if you're playing like Guitar Hero 5 on PlayStation 2, dog, no more. Guitar Hero 5 on PlayStation 2 is oh god. You guys don't know real pain until you played like Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 4 on PlayStation 1. Ali the Kit Kat, hey, saw your amazing skills on YouTube, decided to drop by on Switch. Hello, welcome to the stream. I knew Chibi was gonna pop into that. Fuck off, man. I only had 4 Wii games ever. I decided to like homebrew my Wii and then like yeah, you're right. There's a lot of good. I think there was a lot of good. Fucking what was it? It was on like the Wii Bear on the Wii Shop or whatever. I'm puking. I hate that. Oh! Oh, Jesus! No way. Yahoo! The note didn't even end. No way, I just got that. Oh my fucking god. There's no fucking way I just got that. That was